To show you how to create a discussion post. So you see here we're on a discussion assignment. And in order to make a post, simply click to launch. You can read the details of your discussion post here, but they're going to show up again after we click to launch. So we'll click that. And now, I just told you that you'd see the information again. It's not here. So to see that, what you have to do is click Create Thread. And once you do that, that's where you see your information again. So you have the assignment right up above where you will be typing your message. So you could put in your name. I titled this Rhonda's discussion post. Then I would read my question, type it here, and then click submit. If you have something you want to attach to share with the class, you can click that here and it shows up just like if you're trying to attach, a document to an email. So I won't go through that. And then simply click submit. Now you can see that there's a post. So if you wanted to reply to my post, you'd simply click on the link here and click reply. Again, the box opens up and then you just click into the box to type your response and then submit. And so now you can see the replies to your post. If you need any help with this process, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Drop me an email, let me know, and we will work through it together.